Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing fine in this pandemic. It's Mr. Anonymous here. I know I didn't show up for some time. I got stuck while I'm painting. Yeah, I painted two things, so we are gonna see how I painted the second one, and the first one I'll just show you because I feel like I didn't get that one right. And about the new intro thing, it's because today we're gonna paint Doctor Strange, so I thought we'll make it a little bit confusing like in the movies. So Doctor Strange, he's a pretty interesting character in Marvel. I mean, there's no particular power scale. Like, he's too strong. That's all you need to know about him. And he was first created by Stan, of course. 1963 July, Strange Styles, number 110. So, as I told you, Doctor Strange is a really strong character. Okay, uh, like there's not really a limit for his power. He can do whatever he wants. Okay, he can get the absolute power and then destroy everything, recreate at his will. He can do all sorts of things. So, but we don't really see him doing all those things. Okay, we just see him just fighting problems only when they show up. Okay, he's just basically a guy who possesses unlimited power and not sure what to do with it. So as you guys can see, I painted his the flying cloth. If you have seen the movie, this is how it looks, and then you can see him holding a sword. So this look is from Doctor Strange 2018. So that's a pretty interesting story. Okay, what will happen is there's a alien race. Like a guy will show up from an alien race. His name is Zolas. Yeah. So that guy will basically show up on Earth to stop Galactus. The Galactus will be attacking his planet. So the people will scan Galactus' brain and then they'll figure out that Galactus only fear for people in Earth. So because it has a lot of heroes in it, who can practically stop him. And then he'll show up in Doctor Strange house and then he'll observe all the magic. And then he'll chuck Galactus into the dark dimension realm. Okay, the realm where Dormammu exists. So Doctor Strange will be like, okay, Doctor Strange will be completely out of like the his patience, okay, because uh, Galactus is basically the force of science, okay. That guy should eat planets for the survivability of the universe, okay. So if he dies or if he stopped or something, right, the destruction of the universe will begin. So Galactus has to do it, and then this guy will completely change the things. So Doctor Strange will be like, okay, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So let me just take a look at what Galactus is doing, and he'll go to the dark dimension. Then Galactus will be eating all the planets in the dark dimension. Okay, that's basically magical forces, and then a demon of pain will show up. Galactus will completely absorb him. Like Galactus will become super OP, okay? And then Clea, Doctor Strange's ex-wife, and Umar, Dormammu's sister, they'll try to stop Galactus, but eventually Galactus will kill them both. So Doctor Strange will go to Mephisto's realm, yeah, hell, basically, and then will bring back Clea and Umar back to life. And then they'll try to fight, and then he'll practically observe pretty much all the strongest species in our magical dimension. Okay, so Doctor Strange will go to the living tribunal and eternity. Okay, eternity is basically the multiverse. Okay, the physical representation of multiverse. What if the multiverse had life? Okay, and living tribunal is basically a servant of Wonderbolt. It's next to Wonderbolt. It's like we have watchman or a personal secretary, right? Yeah, living tribunal is somewhat similar to that for one of all. So he'll go to them and then he'll be like, okay, this happened, so I want you guys to stop him. And then they'll be like, no, it's not fine. Galactus is doing his job. He's supposed to observe energy. Yeah, but he observes magical energy, right? And then they won't give a damn about Doctor Strange. Okay, so this guy will just come to Earth and then collect all the heroes, not just from Earth, from the entire universe, and will try to stop Galactus. And then eventually everyone will die. And then Mephisto, he'll meet up with Mephisto. Okay, and okay, this comes after the story. Okay, so everything will fail, and then Doctor Strange will destroy the multiverse with Galactus. Okay, only Doctor Strange will remain alive, and then the eternity will show up again. So you might think, right, why the eternity is showing up? Because the physical representation of the universe. Yeah, Doctor Strange is still alive, so that's basic. It can show up as Doctor Strange, but still. So eternity will show up, and then he'll be like, "What happened?" And then he'll reveal that Mephisto. Yeah, like when things go wrong, Mephisto will show up in front of Doctor Strange, and he'll be like, "If you want to fix everything, we have to destroy it and then recreate everything." Okay. So Doctor Strange will destroy the entire multiverse, and then he'll recreate it. Yeah, his two over part, and then yeah, that's it. Like he'll win the day, and yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm just adding Dormammu and Doctor Strange. Actually, I made another artwork, but if I add that, it'll be like really too long videos. I don't know how much people will see it, but yeah. So just Dormammu's head, okay. Uh, and then just little bit of dark yellow because it's burning, right? His face is basically burning. So yeah, Dormammu was actually a human, and then the thing you see is his energy format. Okay, he can remain as a human, but he changed himself into energy form. That's how he looks like that, like as a sentinel being or something. So yeah, so as you guys can see, we are pretty much done. Okay, like his costume is full black. Just add a little bit of silver because due to light reflection there will be a little bit of white reflecting with the black, so it'll be a little bit of silver. So yeah, that's it. So now we black is the most important part in this, by the way. Uh, like most of my paintings, black is the most important part. So now I'm gonna paint his hair a little bit. Yeah, he'll have some white hair in the head. Okay, so that's why I left that part in the middle, and then now his mustache and his eyes. Yeah, told you right. Like it's basically all black. I told you, this costume is pretty cool. Okay, this is his space suit. Yeah, whenever he goes to space, he wears this. Wish he wears it all the time. Yeah, a little bit of black there. As I told you, right, Doctor Strange is a really strong character. Like even during Jonathan Hickman's Avengers, a new Avengers run, right? There was basically an alternate version of Justice League, okay, in Marvel. So they'll show up. It's a different story. I'll say you guys after some time, but that's what happened. It's basically Justice League, okay. The Avengers will be fighting with the Justice League, and then they won't stand a chance because it's Justice League, right? And then Doctor Strange will show up, and then he'll be like, okay, fine, let me finish this once and for all, and then he'll fight with Doctor Fate first. So Doctor Fate will overpower Doctor Strange, and then Doctor Strange will be like, he'll go crazy, okay, and then he'll be like, okay, fine, you're not someone who uses magical powers, it's me. So he'll basically obliterate Doctor Fate, and that's the true fact, right? Doctor Fate, he doesn't possess any magical powers. It's only the helmet that gives him magical powers. If not the helmet, he can't do anything. And he'll obliterate Doctor Fate, and then he'll basically channel a dark energy from dark dimension. He'll destroy entire Justice League. Okay, like that's actually the true power of Doctor Strange. His power is unmeasurable. Okay, and if you ask why he doesn't show it, she's like for example, there's no reason for him to show his full power. That's the one thing. He'll be like sitting in the house, enjoying his coffee, watching TV, and then suddenly, if there is some like uncontrollable problem, he'll show up, or else he won't. He'll be like just enjoying his time. So you can see, right? I'm kind of gonna finish it. Yeah, little bit, and over. I think. Yeah, it's Doctor Strange is over. Yeah, like small letter kind of things in this thing. You can just scribble whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. And you can see I finished Dormammu also. And yeah, that's it. We're done. Remember the first artwork I tried? I told you, right? The yellow color guy is Living Tribunal, and then Mephisto, and that's Eternity, and Doctor Strange, and then this is Galactus who observed Dormammu. And that's Dormammu, and so I wish I could add this video, and this is ours, which we did in the video. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like my work. So if you guys want to see more, you can subscribe to my channel, and then I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care.